There are various varieties of beans, usually intercropped with maize during the long rains in the planting season. Right here is a beans plant or crop, almost reaching the flowering stage. Some of it has already started producing its flowers to put up the bean cereal. But how well do we know how they grow and germinate? Here is one that has already produced its flowers. Let's go and see how they usually germinate and grow. Right here is one of the bean crop germinating, and the first leaves that you see there are called the cotyledons, which main purpose are to store energy and to manufacture food for the young crop. They are called so because they emanate directly from the seed itself of the bean. And right here, after some time, you see the leaves starting coming out. So for more information about how crops germinate and grow, the most common crops in our farms, please subscribe to this channel for more information. Thank you.